In this video, you'll learn how to balance the calcium hardness in your freshwater salt system's hot tub. If not balanced correctly, it can lead to scale formation on the spa's shell, cloudy water, and unwanted foam on the water surface. Step 1. Test the water in your hot tub with a FreshWater 5-way test strip to determine the calcium hardness. Calcium hardness level should be between 25 and 75 parts per million in your freshwater salt system's hot tub. Step 2. If needed, use the Vanishing Act calcium pillow to lower calcium hardness. For calcium hardness levels between 75 and 150 parts per million, use the Vanishing Act calcium remover. To lower calcium hardness levels between 150 and 300 parts per million, use the Vanishing Act XL. For calcium levels above 300 parts per million, an on-the-go water softener is recommended. Contact your dealer for more information. Before using it, rinse the Vanishing Act calcium pillow with water until the water runs clear. Consult your spa's owner manual to determine where to place the Vanishing Act calcium pillow and how long to leave it in place. Step 3. Retest the water using a FreshWater 5-way test strip. Repeat the balancing steps as necessary until the calcium hardness level is between 25 and 75 parts per million. Follow the directions provided in the other videos in this series to continue balancing your spa water.